What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode, Fish and Grubs. That's a first. All right, folks. Skunk's off. All right, bro. Nice little guy. Healthy little guy. Not a bad fish at all. Go ahead and get him in the water. That's a stud. Might have to keep him from morning pictures. No. Got one. All right, so that is 3 missed, 1 really good one missed out of the 3. We have 3 in the boat and we caught 1 and let it go. So 4 caught, 3 missed, all on the slammer, all before the sun has come up from behind these trees. So that's pretty sweet. Yeah, that's what we got so far today. All on the slammer. All solid fish. Awesome. So I saved them so that we could get a nice release this time of the day on all these beautiful fish. Yeah. Awesome night. Awesome night. We lost 3. One of them was huge. But you know what? We got these ones. We just lost another one a second ago. We're gonna let these guys go and we're gonna start tossing the Sprinker Frog up in these pads until we get over to the other side where there's rocks, and we'll keep throwing the slammer. Let's get these guys back in the water. It's gonna be a gorgeous day. All right. They're all feisty. All right, let's say goodbye to the big one. Really pretty colors on this one. Nice fish. Yeah! Ooh. Good morning. Let's get back out there. Yeah, Sprinker Frog. Yes. 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 First Sprinker Frog fish, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome. Nice fish, folks. Woo! Here we go. That's a little guy. Nice. On the slammer, folks. Fourth one caught on the slammer today. Pretty freaking sweet. What a good day it's been so far. Oh, I got off. Oh, I got off. Oh my God. Oh boy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Folks. Oh my God. That's a donkey. That is a freaking stud. Oh my goodness, I'm shaking. That is a freaking stud, ladies and gentlemen. Absolute stud. We just caught a really big fish. Wacky rigged, just switched over. So just a little bit windy to throw the big swim bait. This is a big fish. I'm guessing 5 pounds. Stud. Yeah. So good. Zeroed out. 5 pounds, 3 ounces. Wacky rake. We're gonna let this girl go. What a gorgeous fish. 5 pounds. Awesome. Freaking donkey. Yeah, baby! Woo! You filthy. And it was a dink. It was a dink, 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 dink. Little dinky dinks. Missed that one. Little dink. Damn. Gotta be a smallie. Yes. Never catch smallmouth here. For a smallmouth, little dink. Peace. Another fish. Oh man. Yes! Another good fish. That is another nice fish, folks. All right. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. Yes. Boom. Sprinker Frog strikes again. Ah, man, I love this thing. Whew! It's a nice freaking fish, man. We have had awesome fish today. Dink. It's Squeaker. Another fish. All right. Yeah. Sprinker Frog again. Well, that was an awesome little fight for this little guy. What a day, folks. What a day. We're gonna let him go. We got a little bit of shoreline left. We're gonna take off when we get to the launch. Oh, it does not get better. What a day. Got here about 2:30 in the morning. Got 4 fish on the slammer before the sun came up. And when the sun came up, we got 1 more on the slammer and 1 quick on the Sprinker, Teckel Sprinker, the Sprinker Frog. After a little while, the wind picked up and I put on a crankbait, but I have zero confidence in a crankbait. So I decided to slow down just a little bit, throw a Wacky rig for a minute, and within 5 minutes, I was holding another 5-pound bass. This year has been incredible. I hope you all enjoyed the episode. I had an absolute blast out here today. The pleasure boaters have arrived. That signals time for me to head home. Spend some time with the family on the day off. Absolutely epic out here, folks. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fish and Grubs. Fish out!